Hello, I'm Logic Bunny, and come with me down the rabbit hole of knowledge.
Have you ever felt the heavy weight of a science textbook? Its pages filled with words that seem to blur, making your eyelids droop as if gravity itself was pulling them down. Or perhaps you've stumbled upon incredible experiments online, only to feel a pang of disappointment, believing they were far too complicated, too dangerous, or just too much for you to ever try yourself. That quiet frustration, that feeling of being on the outside looking in, while the thrilling world of discovery unfolds without you, is a deeply familiar ache. It's a moment where curiosity yearns to soar, but feels tethered by confusion and the fear of getting it wrong. We've all been in that space, longing for a simpler, more vibrant entry point into the logic and wonder of how the world truly works. But what if the key to unlocking those grand mysteries, to truly feeling the pulse of scientific inquiry, lies in something wonderfully simple, perhaps even right in your kitchen? Today, we are not just going to do an experiment. We're going to dive deep into the legendary DIY Mini Volcano, a classic that still amazes, not merely to watch its spectacular fizz, but to uncover why this humble eruption is a secret superpower for your brain. It's a direct, tangible connection to the forces that shape our Earth, a miniature drama playing out before your eyes. Remember how Bill Nye, with his incredible energy, always reminded us that science rules? He wasn't just saying it. He was showing us with every colorful demonstration that understanding the universe is an exhilarating journey. And that's exactly what we're about to experience. We're going to show you how even the simplest fizz, the most basic combination of household items, can unlock mind-blowing chemical reactions, turning confusion into genuine curiosity. This isn't just about mixing ingredients. It's about witnessing the elegance of natural laws in action, understanding the why behind the what, and feeling that spark of discovery ignite within you. Let's dive into the logic of this amazing phenomenon and prepare to have your mind blown by the power of simple science. Stay curious. Have you ever felt the quiet sigh of frustration when chemistry seems to be all about complicated formulas and abstract theories, making its incredible power feel distant and out of reach? That feeling can make the vibrant world of molecules and reactions seem like a secret language, leaving us longing for a simpler connection. But what if I told you that the very spark of chemical transformation, the hidden power we seek, is residing in the everyday ingredients right inside your kitchen cabinet? We are about to transform that feeling of distance into a moment of intimate understanding. There's a common myth, isn't there, that only real scientists in elaborate labs can truly unlock the universe's secrets. Let's cast that thought aside. The simple combination of baking soda and vinegar provides a perfect, elegant example of an acid-base reaction, a fundamental principle of chemistry that governs countless processes around us. It's a miniature chemical drama playing out directly before your eyes, demonstrating powerful forces in action. To truly grasp this, and indeed to approach any chemical reaction with clarity, we can use a three-step technique rooted in empirical sciences. First, observe the fizz, the bubbling, the vigorous eruption. What does this tell you? Second, identify the ingredients. We have vinegar, an acid, and baking soda, a base. These are our key players. And third, understand the gas being released. That's carbon dioxide, the same gas that gives soda its bubbles. This simple process of observing, identifying, and understanding is a universal blueprint for discerning the logic behind chemical events. The mental factor that often hinders our critical thinking is the belief that powerful science demands fancy equipment. This mini volcano powerfully proves that the how and why are entirely accessible with just a few household items, sparking genuine intellectual satisfaction. Your mini volcano, in its delightful fizzing, acts like a tiny, fizzing detective, revealing the invisible world of chemical bonds and energy transfers. It clearly shows us that profound scientific discovery, the kind that ignites wonder, beautifully begins with something small, tangible, and right in your hands. That's silent frustration, the mental fatigue that settles in when learning feels like sifting through dry sand instead instead of exploring a vibrant garden. Have you ever felt that weariness? That dull ache when dense, unengaging content makes your mind feel heavy? This mini volcano isn't just about the spectacle of an eruption. It's about the profound eruption that happens asterisk inside your head asterisk when understanding finally clicks into place, when a concept blossoms from confusion into crystal clarity. Our brains are incredible reward seekers, constantly looking for signals of success and satisfaction. If learning always feels like a tedious chore, like pushing a boulder uphill, your brain doesn't receive that vital reward signal, that burst of dopamine that sparks further desire to explore. But when you successfully create something, when you witness cause and effect with your own hands, like making this volcano erupt, your system floods with those feel-good chemicals. It's not just fun. It's your brain saying, yes, more of this. Think of a young person, perhaps someone who has felt dumb about science, carrying that quiet burden of self-doubt. Then, they see their own creation, a simple mix of ingredients, come alive in a fizzing, bubbling, magnificent eruption. That burst of understanding, that moment of pride in their own ingenuity, becomes a powerful counter-narrative to those self-limiting beliefs. It is the tangible aha moment, a vivid demonstration that they are capable, that they asterisk can asterisk understand, that they asterisk are asterisk a part of this grand scientific dance. Watching the volcano erupt, understanding the simple cause and effect, triggers a rush of accomplishment. This isn't merely entertainment. It's your brain actively building new pathways for curiosity, for problem solving, for embracing the spirit of inquiry. It's like tending a garden where each successful experiment plants a new seed of wonder. The volcano's eruption, in its vibrant display, is truly like your brain's own fireworks display for learning, showing you that hands-on discovery is the ultimate spark for genuine intellectual excitement. It reminds us that our minds, when given the right fuel, can light up the world. Have you ever felt the quiet unease, that subtle tremor of anxiety, when faced with asking a question that feels dumb, or the fear of judgment if an experiment doesn't quite work out as planned? That silent apprehension can often hold us back, tethering our natural curiosity, whispering that perfection is the only path. But here's a profound truth, a gentle balm for that fear. In the vast, beautiful landscape of science, what we often call failure isn't just allowed. It is, in fact, absolutely required. It is the very soil from which true understanding grows. Beware of a subtle trap, a kind of confirmation bias that looks like a desire for quick understanding, but actually hides a deeper avoidance of critical thinking. When your mini volcano doesn't erupt perfectly, when the fizz is a little less dramatic than you hoped, don't just sigh and restart, hoping for a different outcome without reflection. Instead, pause. Ask yourself, with genuine curiosity, why not? That moment, that question, is precisely where the real, magnificent learning truly begins. It's the universe inviting you into a deeper conversation. Here is a symbolic exercise, a gentle path to discover, explore, test, build, and understand with truth. Try varying the amounts. What if you added a little more baking soda? Or perhaps a bit less vinegar? Does the eruption become bigger, more forceful? Or does it slow down? A gentle sigh instead of a roar? Each small variation, each tiny adjustment is a mini experiment in itself, a living lesson in variables and control. This isn't just about chemistry. It's about learning the rhythms of cause and effect, the delicate balance of the natural world, the emotional consequence of approaching discovery with a wounded intellectual curiosity, where the fear of being wrong looms large, can shut down our innate drive to experiment. But this simple volcano, in its accessible nature, offers a safe, judgment-free space. It's a sanctuary where you can make mistakes, learn from them, and feel the quiet satisfaction of genuine inquiry without the burden of perfection. A failed volcano isn't a dud, it's a profound puzzle waiting to be solved. Each fizz that doesn't quite reach the top is whispering clues, inviting you to become a true science detective, uncovering the deep secrets of chemical reactions. One gentle question at a time. Do you ever feel a quiet sense of disconnection from the vast, complex phenomena of our world, like the immense, powerful volcanoes that shape our planet. That feeling can make the Earth's grand forces seem distant and abstract, something only geologists understand. But your DIY eruption, this simple fizzing wonder, is actually a fantastic, accessible entry point, a tangible bridge to understanding the immense, fiery forces that are constantly shaping the very ground beneath our feet. It's a way to touch the pulse of our planet, right from your kitchen table. There's a persistent myth that complex scientific topics, like the inner workings of Earth's fiery giants, are too advanced, too intricate for your age group, or for anyone without a specialized degree. But let's gently set that idea aside. The same fundamental principles of pressure, the release of trapped gases, and the raw power of chemical reactions that make your mini volcano erupt are precisely what are at play in Earth's colossal fiery mountains. The scale is different, yes, but the underlying logic, the universal principles, remain beautifully the same. Think of Leonardo da Vinci, a mind that embraced the interconnectedness of all knowledge. He didn't just create breathtaking art, he observed everything with an almost sacred intensity, from the flight of birds to the flow of water. Your observation of your mini volcano's lava flow, its texture, its speed, can lead you to ask profound questions, just as Da Vinci did. Why does it move that way? What if it were thicker or thinner? These are the same questions that lead scientists to understand the viscosity of real magma, the heat within the Earth, and the vast geological processes that sculpt our world. Society sometimes distorts the image of the inquisitive explorer, making us believe that true discovery demands exotic expeditions to far-flung lands. But you are an explorer right now, in this very moment. By connecting a simple kitchen experiment to the powerful, awe-inspiring forces beneath Earth's crust, you are engaging in profound exploration. Your mini volcano is a tiny, safe portal, allowing you to glimpse the incredible, dynamic power of Earth itself, proving that understanding the grandest phenomena, the deepest truths, can indeed start with the simplest, most accessible experiment. Stay curious. Have you ever felt that quiet, overwhelming frustration when faced with a mountain of information about a topic, unsure where to even begin, or how to sift through the noise to find the real truth? That feeling can make the vast world of knowledge seem intimidating, leaving you with a sense of paralysis. But this mini volcano, in its vibrant simplicity, is not an endpoint. It is a powerful launch pad, designed to ignite a journey that changes how you see everything. A fatal mistake, often masquerading as a desire for mind-blowing facts, is to seek only the sugar-coated pill of knowledge. Just watching the eruption without truly understanding why it happens is like eating candy without any nutrition. It might be momentarily sweet, but it leaves you hungry for substance. We are aiming for the full scientific meal, the deep satisfaction that comes from comprehending the underlying logic, the elegant dance of cause and effect, the profound drive to replicate experiments, to ask probing questions, and to think critically can often stall when it encounters a genuine lack of engaging, accessible explanations. But once you truly grasp the why behind the volcano's fizz, once you feel the click of understanding, a new hunger awakens within you. You'll find yourself applying that same critical thinking, that same spirit of inquiry, to everything around you, from the simplest phenomena to the most complex world events. That initial spark grows into a steady flame. There is a deep, innate desire within us all to understand the how and why behind the world's countless mysteries. This simple experiment doesn't just entertain, it gently fosters that desire, showing you, with undeniable clarity, that you can break down complex processes. You can find answers yourself, building a quiet confidence that will empower you for countless future discoveries. The mini volcano isn't just about baking soda and vinegar. It is a seed of pure curiosity. Once planted and nurtured, it will grow into a flourishing forest of questions, a vibrant landscape of discoveries, and a lifelong, unyielding love for exploring the magnificent world around you. We began this journey feeling the quiet ache of distant knowledge, the silent frustration of complex concepts that seemed locked away far from our grasp. Perhaps you felt that learning was a tedious chore, or that grand discoveries belonged only to to others. But now, after witnessing the simple, magnificent eruption of your DIY mini volcano, can you feel a shift? Can you sense how science isn't just confined to dusty textbooks or sterile laboratories? It's alive, pulsating with energy in your very own kitchen, bubbling in your backyard, and undeniably, it lives within the awesome, fizzing creation you just brought to life. Remember, the true magic, the most profound wonder, wasn't merely the spectacular fizz and flow of lava. It was that moment, that precious aha, in your brain when the ingredients met and the invisible became visible, the abstract became real. That feeling of understanding, that sudden burst of clarity that washes over you, that is the sacred wisdom, the deep satisfaction we are meant to keep chasing. It's the universe whispering its secrets and your mind beautifully opening to receive them. This isn't just about chemicals, it's about the spirit of inquiry igniting your soul. Just as Ibarra the Norio, with his boundless enthusiasm, shows us how every small, hands-on experiment builds into a much bigger understanding, so too does your mini volcano become a stepping stone. It's a quiet promise that the natural laws are always at play, waiting for you to notice, to question, to explore. Let this experience be a gentle reminder of the power within your own hands, the genius in your own curiosity. Keep experimenting, keep asking those why and how questions that bubble up from the depths of your being, and keep letting your curiosity erupt like a magnificent, uncontainable force. What if this small, fizzing eruption has not only revealed the secrets of an acid-base reaction, but also unveiled a hidden strength within you, a capacity for wonder and understanding you never fully acknowledged? What profound new mysteries will you now feel brave enough to gently unravel, guided by the light of your own awakened curiosity? Stay curious, always.